let's show you how widgets work in these websites. So widgets happen to be the elements that appear down here in your footer, and also, for example, on this sidebar on your blog, and you can even sprinkle them onto the website in different places as well. All pretty easy stuff, but let's go ahead and I'll show you how widgets work in the back end. Very important piece of content. So under the Appearance tab, we go to Widgets. And as you'll see on the left-hand side, we've got available widgets here. So there's all sorts of different things, calendars, menus, so a navigation menu you'll use quite a bit. Here's our translation. We've got a search form. We can have a list of pages, social icons, just simple text, video, some different ones there for you to choose from. And what we can do is just bring these over to these predefined sections of your website. So this is the Facebook blog area. So that's the blog area right here. So this is our widget area, and it is right here. So we've got categories, which is a navigation menu right here. So that's a menu that we built in the menus section right here. And then what we did was we just go and selected it. So that's that. Now we've got a form, which we built up here in our forms section, and we went and chose that form to display right here. And you can see we're stacking things on top of each other within this predefined area. And so now we've got our social icons, and we defined those. These are separate from the social icons that we would define in our theme. This is a particular plugin that we use and gives us a little more versatility. And then we've got our Facebook like box, which is right down here. So you can see how that works there, and that is that particular section or widget area. So if we go to this page, we can go and edit this page. And over here in the sidebar, because that's where these widgets reside, at least on this page, we've selected a right sidebar, and this is the widget area that we've chosen, Facebook blog. So right here, Facebook blog. If we want to create a new area, we just create a new area here, and it'll pop up, and we can bring whatever elements we would like to add. Right? We can bring a calendar and some archives. We can do a title and another title. Save and save. Good, so we created a new widget area. And now if we go to this page and we refresh, it should refresh that menu that we have to choose from. And we can select this new area, update the page, and you'll see that we've got a calendar and the two elements that we just added. So pretty cool stuff. We can add different things on these pages, and we can do that through widgets. So let me just make sure I save that. And so as for the footer we've predefined in our theme to have 3 columns. So there's column 1, social icons. I'll show you here. So down here, social icons. Column 2 is a plain text element with the location, so happens to be. And column 3 is a navigation menu that we called the main menu, or we've selected the main menu to have it down there. Now, if you've got so many pages on your website, you may want to narrow this menu down to just a few select key pages, but it's up to you. And if 3 columns are not enough, you can go to your theme and add another column. And then when you do that, there will be a footer column 3 that's automatically populated here. And then you can add more widgets to populate that with some information. So this is your widget area, really important area to get to know. and you can see how things are laid out. If we want to get rid of an area, you can just click on that box, that X, and it is gone. So these things are all, everything is click and drag, very easy to use back here in the widget area.